Welcome to the channel. Today I am going to show you how you can remove any picture background, so let me find some copyright free photo to remove the background real quick on unsplash.com. This is where the magic happens at remove.bg. I then select and upload the picture to this site so it will remove the picture background automatically. Yes, you need to sign up for free. After a few seconds the removed background picture will be presented to you. All you have to do is to download it whether HD or not. If you have found this video helpful, be sure to hit the like and subscribe button below. This will help the channel grow.